Before we begin, take a moment to acknowledge whatever you're feeling right now. Observe those feelings like clouds passing by. They are present, but they are not permanent. Now repeat after me. I have been hurt, but I am not broken. I acknowledge my disappointment without letting it consume me. I release the pain of betrayal and choose to heal. What happened to me does not define who I am. I will not allow someone else's actions to steal my peace. I free myself from the burden of unmet expectations. Today, I choose healing over hurt. I am grounded in the fact that though man may fail me, God's faithfulness will never waver. I am held by hands that will never let me go. I will not close my heart because of someone else's choices. My worth is not diminished by someone else's inability to see it. I trust the process of healing, even when it's slow. God is restoring what betrayal tried to destroy. Divine love never abandons me. Betrayal revealed the truth. Now I can move forward with clarity. I am not a victim. I am a survivor growing stronger. Every setback is setting me up for a comeback. I attract people who honor and respect me. My ability to trust again is not destroyed, it is refined. I refuse to give my power away to those who hurt me. I choose forgiveness for my freedom, not their comfort. The wrong people leaving made room for the right ones. I protect my energy by choosing who gets access to me. Healthy boundaries protect my peace without hardening my heart. I am learning to recognize red flags early. I am becoming wiser through this season. What was meant to harm me is being turned for my good. My future is not held hostage by my past. I am not broken, I am breaking through. I am being prepared for relationships that honor me. Hope is rising in me again. These affirmations are now working within you, reshaping your reality from the inside out. Come back to this video daily and repeat as often as needed.